Say good morning. Oh, Buddy says good morning. Oh my goodness. I feel like Maya with my scotch and vodka, my two twins, but they're cats. Oh, I'm putting you guys down. Good morning, everyone. I haven't even brushed my hair yet. It looks disgusting. What is going on right here? I am giving Casper the Ghost vibes, so just ignore that. I will self-tan this week because I didn't realize I was this pale. But anyways, I am doing a work week in my life. I realized I never said that earlier. And I started a new job, and tomorrow it's officially like 1 month that I've been working there, and I really like it. So I thought I'd do a little work week. I in my life. I can't talk, but we work Mondays and Fridays from home. Can I help you? So today is Monday and it's like just now 12 o'clock. I'm starting this like a little late, but I decided I was gonna do it now. So I need to go grocery shopping, so that's what we're about to do. Ah! Okay, I'm so excited. I ordered from Amazon a new vacuum and some like cleaning supplies, and that is so adult of me, but I could not be more thrilled. We got the goods. Binks is already in the middle of everything. I went to Kroger and Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go through this quickly because I need to put this up. And what are you doing? Starting at Trader Joe's, I got these crunchy curls because I saw a girl on TikTok talk about them, and they're basically kind of like dried pasta, like chips. So that sounded good. I got the sourdough bread, love this stuff. 2 RX bars and chocolate sea salt, 2 little chomps in the, I think this is the original flavor. And then I got a Waldorf salad, so good. I got this salad, which is new, the Harvest Salad grilled chicken. Hopefully it's good, looks good. These fig and olive crisp. I want the strawberry and jalapeno ones, but they literally are like sold out. But these are really good too. Some brie bites, this chicken and 4 cheese ravioli, this ricotta spinach filled ravioli. This one's frozen, super good. This gnocchi I haven't tried. This jasmine rice, best thing ever. Best freaking rice. It's like so sticky and like perfect. Now we're kind of mixing into Kroger where I got most of my stuff. So I got a party pizza. I always have to have one on stock. I got some spaghetti sauce, just good to have in the pantry, some mini bagels, some mushrooms, a zucchini, because I want to do like some hibachi vegetables. I got some goat cheese, provolone cheese, whipped cream cheese for the bagels, some turkey to do some wraps, and then I got some lettuce to go in the turkey wraps, the tortillas for the wraps, some honey mustard for the wraps. I got some ramen noodles, great to have on hand, some Olipop, love the strawberry vanilla, so good. Coke because I have no self-control, and then it was like a deal to get 4 body armor, so I love the tropical coconut and peach mango, and then I've never tried the kiwi strawberry, so I wanted to try that. I got some OJ, milk, and then I'm not a tea girl, but I got some sleepy time tea because I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. I got some sushi. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch. And then I got these little Belvita cinnamon brown sugar bite things, so good. Oh my gosh, Binks is like in the way. Then I got some oatmeal. I love apples and cinnamon, and I think I've had the peaches and cream, but we're gonna try it. I love peaches. Sister Schubert rolls in case I want to do like some turkey sandwiches on a yeast roll. 2 little brownie Kodiak cakes, and then I got the muffins, so freaking good with milk. Chocolate chip muffins, some beef so I can do like hibachi steak. And then I got this new face wash. I don't know if I'll like it or not, but we'll try it. I love the moisturizer from this brand. This is the face wash that I normally use. We love her. So I got another thing of that, some gum, this little thing, I like to put it behind the cat's litter box. And then I got some Downy little beads. I like to wash my sheets with these. And then I got these beads, some OxyClean, and last but not least, I got some lovely flowers. These were from Trader Joe's. So I got some pink roses and some baby's breath, and then eucalyptus because I'm gonna roll it and put it in my shower. So I'm gonna put everything up. I also got this new Coke, the Starlight. I'm a big Coke fan, so I'm gonna try this and see if I like it. But it's very like light brown. We're unsure about that. We are back at the desk. Look how cute my flowers are. I got like way too much baby's breath, but I still think they're cute. And I'm about to eat lunch. I'm gonna have this spicy shrimp roll. I forgot what that was called for a second. And I'm just using the soy sauce on the side, which is like basically nothing. Nice little baby Coke. I don't feel as bad when I buy these. I should just buy Coke Zero because that's technically like healthier, but it's just really not the same. If you know, you know. Here's my Amazon cleaning haul. I got some pink rubber gloves and I didn't even realize it came with 2, but I'm gonna do one for dishes and then one for the bathroom. And then I also got some of this stuff called the pink stuff. And I saw this on TikTok and it's supposed to be like a natural cleaner and like really cool. Honestly, I bought it because it's like pink and foamy and it looked fun. So I thought this is gonna make cleaning more fun. I don't mind cleaning, I think it's like really relaxing. Here's my vacuum. Okay, here's the top of it. Then we got the bottom. Just put that in there. Oh my god, I turned it on. Ooh, it's so light. It's up. There we go. She is picking up fabulously. Oh my god. You guys saw, like I did not vacuum long at all. Do you like see how much that picked up already? I love this. I'm in shock. Always running late. What's new? Okay, I'm getting ready to go to F45. Sorry if you hear my washer in the background. Oh, that's my timer that I need to leave. It literally starts in 5 minutes. I live like right down the street from it though. But I'm gonna put this jacket on and then I'm gonna bring the hat I was wearing earlier. I like redid my bun. That's what it looks like. I have these little tails sticking up. Is it cute? I tried to like put it flat against my head. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna leave with these things because after my class, where's my purse? I am going to meet this girl because I'm gonna dog sit for her this weekend because I do Rover. I really should like stop because I really don't have time to do it. But yeah, so here we go. This is the fit. Out of F45 on my phone. Thank God I brought my hat because I'm a sweaty mess. Ooh, she looks cute. Street style who? I went to Clean Juice and I got a protein smoothie. This person's staring at me. Too many people are in this parking lot right now, so I gotta get out of here. I'm about to go meet the girl I'm going to dog sit for this weekend. I briefly mentioned it before I left for F45. She has a doodle, some type of doodle, and 2 cats. So I'm gonna go meet them and kind of figure out like their routine and stuff because I believe the dog is a puppy still. I don't know how old it is, I can't remember, but I will report back. And there was a really cute dog at Clean Juice. I don't know what kind of dog that was, but if you know, comment down below. I'm finally home now from meeting the Rover person, and I'm gonna make this ricotta spinach filled ravioli. Super good. So I'm gonna eat half of it for dinner, and then I'll have the other half for lunch tomorrow. Cooking it up, just a frozen meal. Here's my lovely dinner. The ravioli is so good, and I slapped some butter on this sourdough toast. It's honestly good without butter, but you know what? We just had to do it. And then I am trying the Starlight. I just had my first sip, and I don't really know how to explain it. 6.5 out of 10. Maybe a 7 out of 10. I don't know. Showered and in bed, and obviously I have my lights turned red. Apparently red light is supposed to like induce like melatonin or like activate it or something. I don't really know. Good morning, everyone. Oops, someone is honking. Oh my gosh, this is so cold. I just did my skincare and straightened my hair, and now we are really waking us up with this ice roll, this ice roller. This is the Skinny Confidential one. My boyfriend got it for me for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love it, and he got the little sleeping bag that it comes with. This is probably like what some people think is like the worst thing ever, like going in the office. So it's a good thing that I love doing my makeup. I usually don't do anything crazy, but I do work for a makeup brush manufacturer. So I've been like re-inspired to do like more fun things with makeup. I know I haven't really talked about like what exactly my new job is, but I'm a marketing coordinator for a makeup brush manufacturer. We have our own like line of brushes, which is like a brand from the company. So I'm on the B2B side, so business to business. I love this new blush. This is the Makeup by Mario Raspberry Cream Blush, and it's so freaking cute. I love it. I did do my nails last night. It's like a light purple. They don't look that good. Also, I did not mention it last night, but I like randomly started a new Instagram. So if you want to go follow it, it's Beauty by BJ. So Beauty X BJ. Beauty by Bailey Jane. And I just thought it would be fun because, like I said, I'm getting re-inspired working at this new job to like play more with makeup. I just thought it'd be fun to have like it's separate from my personal account. Maybe eventually if I want to start doing people's makeup again, I can do that in Atlanta or something. Here is my little outfit. I love this shirt. I have no idea where it's from. I think it's from like a boutique in my hometown, but Marilyn Monroe, blowing a bubble. This midi skirt is from Nasty Gal, and then Air Forces. I'm gonna leave my camera here, but maybe I'll like do a couple clips on my phone. I'm bringing my work bag, lunch bag. It just has the pasta I made last night in it. And then I'm bringing this Lululemon bag with workout clothes, crossing my fingers that I'm going to go to F45 at 5:30 and like beat the traffic. I also forgot that it is March 1st, and thank God I brought a jacket because it is a little chilly. It's 40 degrees right now, so I was gonna be a little crazy not to be bringing a jacket. This is just a black denim jacket, and thank God I brought it. I'm back. F45 was good. I'm glad that I went. I went in my makeup, so I hate working out my makeup, but luckily I don't have like a ton on, so it wasn't like extremely gross. Now I'm trying to decide what I want for dinner. Like I literally just got groceries yesterday and should just like make something, but I really want Chipotle. I got the goods. This is my burrito bowl that I get. It's literally so good. It's steak, white rice, corn salsa, tomatoes, fajita vegetables, lettuce, cheese, and sour cream. So good. You gotta get a side of chips though and like dip it together. Amazing. Literally every single one of my nails fell off in the shower. They literally just like peeled off. So I'm going to redo them, which I guess is a good sign since they didn't look good anyways. Oh, just one. One survived out of 10. I decided I'm going to become a tea person. I really don't like tea. I'm from the South and I hate sweet tea, unsweet tea. I just hate it. So I just assumed I hate hot tea. But some of the flavors sound yummy, so we're gonna try it. So this is sleepy time tea. Oh, I don't know about that smell. It smells really weird. This is the kind I got. I want to be a fun tea drinker. I wish this tasted good. No, I really hate it. I really do. The smell, is that the chamomile? I don't know. One final sip. I hate trying new things. Nope, it's still bad. I'm honestly sad because I wanted to be like, oh my God, drinking my sleepy time tea, but this sucks. And if you like that, I really am concerned for your taste buds. Look how creepy my room looks back there. I'm really trying out the red lights. Going to bring this salad for lunch. And I'm gonna grab my water. I always prep my water the night before, so it's ready to go in the morning. This is what I'm wearing to work. I'm just wearing this like nude ribbed like short sleeve turtleneck thing. These pants are from H&M. I think the top is from TJ Maxx, I don't know. Air Forces, and then I just threw on this like sweater because it's 45 degrees right now. It's gonna get up to 75, but it's just like awkward because it's like kind of chilly in the morning. And I have this cute little white clip in my hair. I look crazy. Obviously I took a shower and I just cooked food. I made hibachi. I just realized that I forgot to buy broccoli, and then I like to dip like my hibachi vegetables and steak, of course, in yum yum sauce, and I don't have any of that either. Also, I like burned the absolute everything. You can like see it like bruising out of my wrist because I got like popped by the oil. Are you okay? The paw he's licking is the one that he just stepped on the oven with, and I just shoved his paw in the water bowl, which he did not really like, but look how red the tops of his ears are. That definitely spooked him. He's never walked on the oven before. I don't think he like touched the eye. I think he just like walked near it, but I know how bad like burns hurt, so hopefully nothing is wrong. Hair and makeup is done. I just need to put on my little outfit and then leave. We get our lunch catered on Thursdays, so I don't have to worry about bringing anything to lunch. We just have company lunches every Thursday. And when I was getting ready, I realized that Binks has a little scratch like right here, like right above his ear. And I guess Bunny scratched him. I don't know, but now I'm like going in like cat mom mode, and I'm like, I don't want to like leave him. He also stepped on the stove last night. I literally was like recording when he stepped on the stove. Are you okay? And I like freaked out, but he's fine. It was just like for a split second. There's no like blisters or anything. Just cat mom things, so we love it. All right, this is what I am wearing. I don't really love this, but this purple is like the perfect like company purple. We're supposed to be having a speaker come to lunch today, so we're gonna take a picture after, and I just thought this like company purple looked good. I'm wearing this little black snake belt from Nasty Gal, Zara jeans, and I don't know where those shoes are from, but they're just like black little like slides. It has this like shiny material. You can kind of see that now that I'm like in the light. Good morning. This is what working from home looks like on a Friday, especially when I'm pretty sleepy. I'll check emails and do like little tasks in bed. I just made some muffins and I'm going to eat possibly 3. They're chocolate chip, and then I also have some drinks on the side. So I was really craving some orange juice, and then I have a glass of milk. My arms are so sore from F45, like right here, like the crease of the elbow, because we were doing a lot of like curls. I'm literally like stiff as a board. But I have a meeting at 11, and then I'll like, before then, I'll like move into like my actual desk area. So I will look presentable and I'll get out of my PJs.